Most of the world's 7 billion people suffer from malnutrition. Some people do not have enough to eat, while some people eat way too much. Some people's meals contain way less nutrients than some people's feces, while some people have stomachs full of food and yet a body devoid of nutrients. Good morning. Today, I, Yagnik Bose, on behalf of Class 11 Science, welcome you all to today's assembly themed malnutrition.
कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है आती है आंधियां तो कर उनका खैर मतलब आती है कर उनका खैर मजगम तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे चढ़ा है ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है अग्नि में दब के सोना है और भी निखरता अग्नि में दब के सोना है और भी निखरता दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है जाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन जाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन होगा विशाल दरबार वो बीज जो बड़ा है ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे हर काम उसके रहते हर किस्म हुआ बड़ा है कभी हार लाना हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ कभी हार लाना हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Ayush Sharma from class 11 science. So the thought of the day is malnutrition. Malnutrition can be common as in poverty as in wealth. One is for the lack of food and the other is for lack of knowledge of food. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। आज मैं नवनीत कौर आप सभी के समक्ष आज का विचार लेकर प्रस्तुत हूँ और ये कुछ इस प्रकार है। हम खुशनसीब हैं कि हमें भरपेट भोजन ग्रहण करने को मिलता है, पर ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिन्हें ये अन्न इतनी आसानी से प्राप्त नहीं हो पाता। इसलिए अन्न का अपमान करने से पहले उनका ख्याल अपने जहन में ज़रूर ले आइएगा। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today the word of the day is malnutrition and it can be spelled as MALNUTRITION. Nutrition, and the meaning of the word is lack of nutrition in a body. Thank you.
Causes of malnutrition. Major causes of malnutrition include poverty, food prices, agriculture productivity, etc. Malnutrition can also be a consequence of health issues such as chronic illness, especially HIV and AIDS. Now, the question arises that how can we prevent this? The government can suggest the farmers and provide them with funds so that the farmers can use modern techniques to produce more foods to counter malnutrition. Another solution to malnutrition would be to increase access to health facilities to rural parts of the world. Hence, malnutrition is a widespread problem of poverty and deprivation that affects millions of people, perhaps in the majority of the developing countries. Thank you.
Good morning to everybody. My name is Ishani Maiti, and today me and my classmate Jeet Roy will be speaking on the topic malnutrition. Malnutrition refers to the imbalance in a person's intake of energy and nutrients. This is broadly based in two types. One is undernutrition and the second one is overweight, that is obesity. Malnutrition is a big aspect in India as 15% of Indian population is malnutrition. According to National Family Health Survey, India has 35.7% of children which are underweight and 38.4% which have stunted growth. Malnutrition is not only a concern for our country, this also has a bad effect to other countries as well. Around 1.9 billion adults are overweight while 462 million are underweight. Talking about countries, Western Sahara, Haiti, Democratic Republic of Korea, Madagascar, Chad, and Liberia are deeply affected with undernutrition. So from here, I would like Jeet to continue.
Let us provide food on a large scale. On this front, let us not fail. In many parts, people die not of cold, flood, or disaster, but due to the scarcity of food and hunger. It is not that we lack infrastructure, but still we are feared of the bleak future. Many African nations reel under uncertainty. This is a grave that threatens the postures of the young one with pity. Millions of children die each year, and their parents are dead or filled with tears. We can save food for the rest. Let us just hope for the future to be our best. It will be the greatest man made crime ever made if we fail to address this in time. Thank you.
Good morning to you all. I wish for you on your birthday. Whatever you may ask, you may receive. Whatever you seek, you may find. You are an amazing person and always be happy. A birthday is a new start with a new goals. So move forward with confidence. Wishing you happy birthday.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय।